Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Guys, wife number 5, she's inside Kwamsele homestead. What's surprising is she put herself as wife number 3. And everything went well on Lobola negotiation. Musa paid live cows and also the cash one. And Sneh play a big role to Lobola negotiation together with Abo Malume. The funny thing that was made by one of Malume and Sneh is to choose the wrong wife when they cover themselves by the blanket. Now Musa decides to take out Sneh, I'm sorry, Usamke for picnic. Last time I checked, Musa was sick. Now he got power to take Umakela for picnics. And this make him new and young. That means Musa, he's back to his 25 years old now. The time he was admitted to the hospital, I was wondering how Musa will manage in a new relationship. The proof is today. Musa is waiting for something that Makela she's going to bring for him. I think this is a surprise. And on other side, Sneh talks with Macele about how she felt about other wives. As far as I'm concerned, passing of Sneh's mother left her with so many questions, and the sickness of his father too. So that is why she ended up pointing fingers, I'm sorry, to other wives. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.